Hi guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors. This morning we're going out to Albert Lake to do a little ice fishing. I'm taking Joanne with me. It's her first time ice fishing. She's terrified about being on the ice. So let's see what happens. Should be fun. What just happened, Joanne?
I got my first bite. I just stuck the rod in.
And you saw him
2 minutes ago.
Yeah.
It scared me though. I wasn't expecting to fish so soon.
That's awesome. I see the start of that rock. That's too bad.
Why is that gonna crack like that?
There's cracks all through this ice everywhere.
I'm not gonna fall through, or
Hope not. Wow, kind of thin right there where you're at.
that's not funny. What's it melting?
Well, it's hot in here, so the ice is gonna melt.
Well, why is the heater on my side? That means I'm gonna fall in first.
Right.
Let it be known I just topped up my life insurance.
Excellent. My plan all along.
Frank made me.
My plan,
now I know why.
my plan all the way.
Good thing that it's not deep.
No, I was gonna say, if you fall in, stand up. Not even as deep as our pool.
No.
It doesn't require a lot of water. That's a mistake that a lot of beginner people do. I mean, they come in to feed. They come in the shallows to feed, right? And you know, they may hold up in a little deeper water, but when they feed, they come in here and. Are you warm?
Yeah.
It's comfortable in here with the tent, eh?
Yeah.
And when it's windy, but it's hard to set up when it's windy. That's the problem. When you're by yourself, it's terrible. But see those little D-rings there? What I'll do is I'll screw those down in the wind, and then that'll hold it in place, and then set it up, and then tie it down, right?
Yeah, that's smart.
But it takes. But when it's windy, it's really tough. And because this stuff, if it's too windy and you don't have the straps down, the wind will come and collapse it in, and then the whole thing will topple over. Oh, it's just a pain when it's windy.
So Frank, look at that catch. What do you think?
That's Joanne's first catch of the day. A nice 16-incher. Look how thick that belly is. Unbelievable. That's a great fish. Wow, look at that guy. Wow, that was pretty exciting. So Joanne caught her first fish on the ice, and it was a monster. That was really exciting to see. A beautiful, beautiful speckled trout. That's just going to be so great steamed. I think we're going to steam that guy. I fried the last one. This guy's pretty thick, so I think I'm going to steam him. He's going to be amazing to eat. What an amazing fish.
Did you know that this is my very, very first time ice fishing? So not only is it my first time ice fishing, it's my first time catching fish while ice fishing. And I'm super excited, so it's awesome. Now I can't wait to get another one. I don't want one too quick, because then my time is over.
Well, we can catch 4, so technically.
Yeah.
But
super exciting.
Yeah, no, that's really exciting. So I think I'm going to switch from the hard minnow swim bait to a nymph now, so that I can see if I can't stay with Joanne and not get outdone. But it's gonna be tough to top a fish like that. That was and she had a fish on the first couple of minutes that came swimming over, but it was a smaller one. It was probably about maybe 10 or 11 inches, And so this one here, wow, 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 wow. What a beautiful fish.
Yeah.
So that's amazing. All right, well, stay tuned.
All right, I'm going for number 2. So is it 2 per person?
2 per person you're allowed to keep.
Oh, okay, good. Because I've already caught 1. So Joanne 1, Frank 0.
Hey, you got my perfect bait. And what did I do for you just then?
You captured him?
No.
I caught him, and you did the rest.
So Joanne was fishing, and I said, let's put some scent on the nymph, and it wasn't in the water 30 seconds.
Oh yeah, it wasn't long at all.
And that came out, and that with the herring scent, and that fish came over and snagged that bad boy.
I can't believe how clear the water is to see that. I didn't it was the first one that we saw was tinier, like tiny compared to that one.
Yeah.
That's a huge. Oh.
He's dead. I put a knife through his brain. He's dead.
That makes it even better, Frank. Let's see if I can get number 2. I was staying up around the top.
Yeah, that's near the top is where you want it to be. They're always in the upper column, water column, because they're looking up.
Why aren't they coming to you? Could you have a rock there?
No, well, I'm using a different bait. I might switch now to a nymph, like you were using.
Nothing like a nymph.
Yeah.
How thick is the ice, you say?
7 inches.
Doesn't look like 7 inches to me.
It's because the light's refracting the water.
Yeah. Lift that up, Frank.
What? What?
I don't like that. It's melting the ice.
It is.
Frank, why is it doing that?
Are you okay? It's just settling. It's just settling.
You're not helping this situation.
How you feeling?
A little stressed.
Why?
Because it's going gloop, 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 gloop.
It's just the ice settling.
So says you. I think you're out here trying to do me in. But just let it be known that I caught the only fish so far.
So far.
With your luck, Frank, it's going to be the only one. Listen, don't be a hater because I got one and you didn't. He's not happy either.
Well, he's certainly not happy being caught, but now that he's had a knife through his brain, he's not thinking much.
Do you want me to teach you how to do it?
Yeah.
Well, I like to hold my rod like this, and it's very important how you hold the rod.
All right. Hold on.
Well, that's your first problem. Then you need to let it just relax and use the wrist. Just use the wrist.
Jesus. I've created a monster.
Frank, you're doing it wrong. What the f*** was that? Frank, what was that?
That is the ice settling. You having fun?
Oh, tons.
Are you cold?
My piggies are cold.
Yeah.
What a difference that warms you right up, though.
Totally.
Yeah.
Having
I know I won't stay
Having the heater is amazing.
a long time. But
Oh, I probably won't stay the whole day either. In fact, I'll once you leave, I'll probably move.
you're by yourself, do you do 2 holes?
Yes. Yeah.
But you only work one at a time?
Yeah, you're only allowed one. You're only allowed one rod per person. And what I do is I put my fish finder in the other one.
Oh.
If it's deep, and then that way I see if there's any fish passing. And then sometimes I put the GoPro in one hole.
Oh, that's a good idea.
How you feeling?
Wonderful.
It's all good, eh?
Yep. Dressed for the occasion.
I've been out here all morning now, and probably time to start thinking. It's just the water, ice settling. There's nobody swimming yet, and probably pack it in here in a little bit.
You know, it's really depressing. I feel bad for Frank. His wife is the only one that caught the fish. Well, I hope that he did the rest. But I'll give him credit for that.
Gave you my best lure, gave me my favorite rod, gave you... Hey? Are you cold?
Yep.
Are ya?
Having the tent was a lot nicer.
What's that?
Having the tent was a lot nicer.
Yeah, I know, eh? Did you enjoy your day?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah?
Caught the only fish.
I know you did. So far. Day's not over. Day's over for you. I'll be bringing it home. Alright. Lots of people. How you doing? Good. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.